Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today we're going to be making a birthday card. Yeah. I'm going to be using Tasteful Touches stamp set along with the Ornate Layers Dies. Okay, so I already have my die cutting done. So we're just going to get into the stamping, all right? Here we go. So I use this piece of the dies on some real red cardstock. Our base of the cardstock is basic black, and it's just a half a sheet of cardstock scored in half. We'll have that there. And actually I can go ahead and glue that down. Get this all glued on here. This is such a pretty frame. Okay, and then for our rest of our layers, I only have one more. Let me see, that doesn't look straight. This piece is 2 1/8 by 3 1/2. And we're going to do a little bit of stamping. What I want to do first is, let me close this glue. I'll get some smoky slate ink. And I'm going to get some scratch paper because I'm going to do some stamping off. Okay. Just trying to, and we're going to be using this image here. I'm just going to stamp. Actually, let me put this on here because I want to just stamp a background, real random like. Oh, wrong way. Look at that, I forgot to stamp off. Oh, we'll leave it like that. Yep, okay. That's all for that. Close this ink up so I won't make a mess. We're going to get some real red ink and stamp our sentiment. And the sentiment says, "You are so special." Let me try to get this a little straight. And if it's a little dark, I'm sorry, you guys. It's kind of late and I have my lights on, but I am not sure how well that is showing up. There we go. Then I'm going to keep this real red out. I'm just going to squeeze it to get some ink in here because I stamped before you guys joined me. I stamped a flower in the Memento Tuxedo Black and I cut it out. And I'm going to take my Wink of Stella, my clear Wink of Stella, and just paint it in just a little bit. I'm not trying to make the entire flower red, just a little. This card is for my mother. Tomorrow, actually, her birthday is the day that this video is going to be posted, so I'm making it a day ahead. So tomorrow, August 7th, which is the day you should be watching it, is her birthday. It's also my youngest son's birthday. They share a birthday. She was very excited to get that phone call that morning. She thought I was calling to tell her happy birthday, but I was telling her I was in labor. So she was even more excited about that. Because she just knew, I knew you were going to be the first to call and tell me happy birthday. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's your birthday. But I was calling to let you know I'm going my way to the hospital. Your grandson is about to be born. I want this to be a little darker because it looks a little pink and we want it to be red. So let me just dip in here and get a little more. Yeah, that looks better. Ooh, yes. I like that a lot better. The darker. It looks good with the lighter red and then the dark red on top of it. So I'm not going to color over the entire part that I did lighter because I like it. I like it. Okay, then we'll just do a little bit on the middle. That part we can leave a little light. Okay, and then I think that's it for this. Let's see, I'm not sure. I'm gonna take this and just place it on here. And this is gonna go over here like this. And that is looking a little empty right there. I think I'm gonna put the flower there. Maybe I'll do another flower, so let's do that. Let's get another one. So I guess the prep beforehand didn't really matter. So this is the Memento Black. We're gonna stamp another one right there. We're gonna get our paper snips. Oh my goodness. I put the stamp on top of the lid because I thought I was closing up the ink. And I'll be right back after I finish fussy cutting this out. Okay, I just have a little bit more to go. And I just want to show you, I didn't leave a white border around this, but on one part of it, I cut a little bit too far into the flower. So what I do is I just take a black Stampin' Right marker and go around the edges to make sure that it's black. Because I don't remember, but I remember cutting off one of the edges, but I can't see where it is. So I get, oh, there it is right there. I went too far and cut the, oh, I did it right here too. Okay, so that's a fix. Now we're just gonna color this the same way we did that one. And I'm gonna speed this part of the video up so you don't have to sit and watch me do this all over again. Oh boy. Oh, did you hear that? It is about to storm. Okay. Now we got that all done. Put our snips away so we won't accidentally cut ourselves. Get some dimensionals. We're gonna pop these up. So we're gonna put one. Well, actually, before I pop them up, I guess I can still put them on the back. I need to glue the sentiment layer down, don't I? Let's flip this over. Okay, where's our glue? I'm gonna just glue this down. Just put some glue on the back of here. Sorry for all the shadows, you guys. But I was being very distracted today, and I should have had this card done earlier, but now I'm rushing because it's almost dinner time. My husband's almost home, so I need to hurry up so we can have supper ready when he gets here. So I'm gonna put this one right here. I'm gonna place this one on the other side. These dimensional backs off. I'll have this one. Kind of like that. Yeah, that's cute. And should we add some bling? I'll just get some some basic jewels, some rhinestone jewels. I think I have some reddish. Yep. These are the holiday rhinestones, but these are cherry cobbler. Let me see. I think they'll go. Yep, they'll go. It'll be okay. Just get our take your pick tool. I'm gonna add one there. Put one here. And how about one right here on the black? There we have it. You're so special. And I'll do the birthday sentiment on the inside. Okay, that is it for today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.